Evolution. In biology, evolution is change in the genetic material of a population of organisms from one generation to the next. Though changes produced in any one generation are normally small, differences accumulate with each generation and can over time cause substantial changes in the population, a process that can result in the emergence of new species. The similarities among species suggest that all known species are descended from a common ancestor or ancestral gene pool. Through this process of gradual divergence,
Embryonic resemblance. Three embryos, each of a different species, look quite similar. The writer of Vestiges believed that a series of quite small changes in factors affecting embryos could lead to the development of new species. Different species of living beings are existing because of evolution. Evolution is the result of small changes in hereditary material. Prenatal development of child recapitulates the process of physical evolution. Evolution of life. As a result of evolution, all life forms from simple to complex are existing. From first life form, man is evolved through series of changes in hereditary material. Not all first life forms evolved into men. Only those first life forms who could bring changes in their hereditary material evolved. First life forms are existing even today. The change in hereditary material is very slow. It took about 4 billion years for human being to evolve. Human beings are still evolving as will be seen from the following table. Prior to 2 million years ago, volume of human brain was 450 cc. Between 2 to 1 million years ago, it was 464 to 800 cc. 7,50,000 years ago, 883 cc. 5 lakh years ago, 1043 cc. 2,50,000 years ago, 1200 cc. 40,000 years ago, 1400 cc. Human beings are becoming more and more brainy. Consciousness is evolving. It is said that intelligence comes out of arrangement of matter.
Evolution qualitative. From simple systems, complex systems are formed. The process of learning starts from the moment one is born and continues till the moment one is dead. The formal education of a child begins almost at the age of 5. By that time, child acquires half of man's knowledge of the surrounding world. By the next 10 years, man knows almost everything about the world. Man invented language for communication and tools and instruments for work and knowledge respectively. The two instruments that have helped man greatly are microscope and telescope. Optical microscope can help us distinguish objects of a size of 2500 angstrom. An electron microscope enables us to distinguish objects as small as Storm. Nature composes some of her loveliest poems for the microscope and telescope. For man, observation was the primary source of knowledge. In the past, the pyramids were an attempt to deal with knowledge of cosmology and immortality. Today, our space program is a kind of pyramid building. Learning does not mean mere cultivation of memory or accumulation of information. It means capacity to think clearly, sanely, without illusion, to start from facts and not from beliefs and ideals. The learning enabled human beings to exercise the control over the rest of the living world and placed him at the top in the hierarchy of living beings.
Change is evolution. Change in number, weight, volume is quantitative evolution. Change in nature characteristics is qualitative evolution. Change may be slow, fast or sudden change is called mutation.
The emergent order of evolution showing fields of study relevant to the different stages. The state of affairs before the Big Bang is termed the zeroth level, that is a starting point. The major chronological stages in the evolution of matter and evolution of life.